All right. So this is going to be a quick unboxing and review of the Augmo Visor power bank. So they reached out to me, asked if I was interested in, reviewing this. So said sure. So this here, what it is a docking station power bank for your Ray-Ban, and it looks like the Oakley HSTN. They all fit in the same kind of case, but it attaches to your sun visor so it can charge, while you're in your car. Yeah, so I mean, let's just kind of jump into it and see what we got. So this says it's compatible with Gen 1, Gen 2, Wayfarer, and Skylar, and the Oakley Houston, however you pronounce it. Which makes sense because the case, they all fit in the same cases anyway. So they all have the same kind of footprint. But yeah, let's see what we got. What does this say? Blah, blah, blah. And let's just pop it open. So, what does it come with? Alright, so you have just a little USB cable, little user manual. Let's say has a little torque. I'll have to see what that's for. I'm not sure just yet. Just your basic. Alright. So it looks like you got to charge it up, clip it to the sun visor, pop your glasses in it. When you park, yeah, so with the battery in it, just because the sun, you don't want to leave it in the car. For tightening eyeglasses, hinges only. Oh, okay. So I have my own Torx screwdriver I always use to tighten the, it's actually kind of cool they included that. So here, I'll just show you real quick. These are just my limited edition Gen 2s. So when a lot of people send me their glasses, the arms, they'll be kind of floppy. So I always tighten up the screws here. But it looks like they included, yep. So they included this. So I'm guessing the reason they did that is when these are mounted upside down on the visor, they'll be kind of attached like that. If the arms are loose, they'll just flop down. So that's pretty cool that they thought about that. So this is the product. So, I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. Okay, so has a button, tells you the battery percentage. It's 100%, so that's kind of cool. And here, since I have these out, so all right, so it has rubber pads, so it grips onto the visor, right? So you could imagine, I'll show it in the car also just to see, but it'll clip on like this, and then the glasses will just kind of pop in, and it grabs it pretty good. Can hold it upside down. Yeah, and then they would clip in the visor just like that. And these are already charged, but you see the charging indicator there. Yeah, pretty straightforward. And then that just clips onto the visor. So let me see how secure it is. Yeah, I mean, that's in there. I mean, you got to really shake it to pop it out. So let's see though. So this may have come out before the optics came out. So I was just curious. Here, let me pop these in here. So the optics, they're in the same sort of case. I was kind of curious if it would fit in here also. not. It may also be because so on the optics, you can change the nose pads. So I put kind of bigger ones on there. So that may be why. Because it kind of locks in there, but the charging indicator isn't on. Okay, well, either way, it doesn't say that it's designed for these, but it's good to test. But I'm also wondering, I don't know if these, I'm assuming it shows the, well, let's just do this. Let's just throw it in the case that it came with. So it doesn't show the charging indicator when it's in the case. So I can't say for sure just yet. These may work because it does fit. You know, and like I said, these cases, it's the same case. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say that these probably do fit. And then, yeah, I don't have a pair of the Meta branded glasses, so I can't say for sure. But anyway, so, I mean, that's pretty much it. I will, when I get a chance, go clip it into the car and just kind of show you, you know, how this would look. But yeah, I mean, that's it. So just a little power banks that you can mount. Curious if it says anywhere on here the capacity. Battery, so it is 2000 milliamp hours. That's pretty good. So I'm sure it says somewhere in the paperwork here, but I want to say the battery that's in the glasses themselves is, I would be lying if I told you, but I want to say it was like 400 or 500 milliamp hour. So I'm assuming, and I think this part back here is the actual battery just by the weight. Yeah, it feels like this is the battery. So this should charge your glasses. I'm just going to assume maybe 3, possibly 4 times. Maybe more, give or take 1 or 2 charges. But yeah, it should last a good bit. Anyway, yeah. So that's it for this part of the video. I'll if I get a chance today, like I said, I'll clip it in the car and kind of show you that. So, go! Alright, so I just hopped in my wife's car here. So, let's say, this might be a little tough because the car's tight in here, but, so this, it's pretty good fit. So that just clips on there, and then your glasses just pop in like that, and you see the indicator light here, battery percentage. So that would be the percentage of, I'm assuming, the actual mount and not the glasses. It could be the glasses though too, because they're fully charged. I would have to wear them, and then I could tell. But either way, so yeah, this is what I was saying before, where it's kind of cool. They send you the screwdriver to tighten the hinges here, because if not, then these would just drop down, and they would just keep flopping down. So like this one, I gotta tighten a little bit. Maybe the left one's pretty tight. Nah, it stays. So, I mean, these would be good for someone who just uses the glasses as sunglasses. If they're prescription, like mine, I don't know how often you would use it, just because you wear the glasses all the time. You know what I mean? But no, they would be great for sunglasses. And it's just another option. What I do like about these though is you don't need to run a wire or anything. Like, it's not just like a docking station. It's an actual battery. So the part here is the battery. So you would just take this out, charge it, you know, and I think you can get a few charges out of it before it needs to be recharged. And you know, since it is a battery, when it's hot, you don't want to leave it in here anyway. So, and then yeah, they just pop out, and that's what you're left with. So I don't think the battery or the button does anything else. Let's see if we long press it. Anything? No. Just a one press to tell you. So yeah, anyway, so that's it. So that's the Augmo visor mount. Yeah, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description, and have a good day.